right, Dr. Blumenthal here, Natural Transplants DC office. We're going to have a really fun day today. We have Omaria joining us from CT. That's Connecticut for those people in the DMV that don't know.
Yeah.
Omaria's a little nervous, so she may or may not talk. How are you feeling?
I'm good.
You're good? Okay, she talked. We're going to have a good day today. We have a lot of energy today. We have Omaria lost her edges a while back. She's tried a lot of different stuff, has seen a dermatologist. Nothing's really helped, so we're here doing a transplant, and we're going to give her life back. So you don't have to wear wigs anymore.
Yes.
You can wear your own hair. This means a lot to her. I feel very honored to be part of your journey. You can wear ponytails again in a year. I know. So I'm just gonna pull your hair back just so
Sure.
Ron can give us a view here. A little right, a little left. So we're going to get it and pack it in as tight as we can. She does have a little bit of loss on top. If we have extras, we're going to throw it on there. Sometimes that can just be due to genetics. Sometimes it can also be due to scarring. So if at some point down the road, if she wants that treated fully, I would probably have her get a biopsy first to rule out any scarring. But today we're going to focus priority number one on the edges, right? Awesome.
Yes.
You ready for this?
Yes,
Okay,
am.
let's do it. We'll check on you. We're going to draw it all, draw the line out, and then we'll come check on you in a few.
Sure.
Okay, sounds good. All right, we are back with Omaria. You've been so kind today. We've been running TikTok live, and you've been like talking to people and answering questions. But the matter at hand here, why we're here, is to do the transplant. So we drew out the line. I love it. I think you smiled bright, so it looks like you love it as well too.
I do.
So I think that's a really nice line on you. We got a couple Valium on board. We're gonna head next door and do the surgery. You ready to do this?
I am.
Okay, let's rock and roll. We'll check on you later. Okay. All right, Dr. Blumenthal back. Omaria, we are finished. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So how did today go? Be honest with everybody. How'd it go?
It was good, but
but
numbing.
Big butt.
the numbing
was
not my favorite
not fun
part.
today.
No.
Yeah, you struggled a little with the butt, but honestly, you got through it.
I know. I thought it was great.
But it was that was a little bit of a problem for you. But you did great. You other than that, you did really, really well. Even with that, you did well. But it's not your normal Thursday, you know. But
I was definitely not my normal
But you did fine. You dozed off for a while, listened to some music. We had some good lunch. But let me zoom in and kind of show the work today. Ultimately, it'll be worth it. I know the numbing was hard on you today, but I'm thinking a year from now, you're really going to love the results. It looks really, really good. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you for doing this.
You're welcome.
Welcome to the family. Any words of advice you'd give to somebody kind of looking at it? If this was you 2 years ago, what would you recommend? What would you tell them?
Trust me, just do it. Don't wait. Just do it. Get over it, and then a year from now, I'll tell you how perfect it is.
Time passes anyway, so you might as well be recovering from a transplant, right?
Yes.
Very cool. Well, thank you for doing this. Hopefully, this inspires somebody out there. We'll sort of keep tabs on you throughout the year. Hopefully, in a year from now, we'll see the big results.
I think I would do a video once per month.
Love it.
Let's see how that
Yeah, definitely check it out. All right. Take care. Thanks.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.